everybody, and welcome back to my channel. First, I want to tell you, if you haven't seen my previous videos, that from August the 1st my channel is changing its looks and its name. This is the new look and the new name that you're going to see from then on here on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you to my daughter who made all the changes. And well, that's an announcement I wanted to make. I'm participating today again in the monthly Look for Less challenge that is hosted by Yami from the Latina next door and her co-host this month, and I hope I'm going to pronounce it right, is Layani from DIY Beauty on Purpose. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrongly. The Look for Less is about finding an item that you like, but that maybe is overpriced, and trying to recreate it for less. For this month I found this Pier 1. I love this. It's made out of galvanized metal and is a wall frame for 5 pictures, and it retails, you can see there, $109.99. No way. I don't know about the shipping, so no way. I don't have the galvanized metal, but I have this piece of rug from Dollar Tree. It was longer. I haven't seen them in a while. I bought it last year, and it looks something like this. So I thought this is going to work. No way. I'm not going to invest in that item. So I'm using this piece of the rug. I bought these frames from Dollar Tree. I could have used real photo frames, but I like to have a chance to change pictures easily, because I like to have new pictures all the time added to my decor. And these frames were the perfect size and have this galvanized tin. I thought they were a match made in heaven for this DIY. So I've already glued the 4 of them with the 6000, and I'm going to add them to the rug. Just a bit of hot glue, not too much, but enough to keep them in place. Sorry if I am a little bit out of frame, but this piece is a little big, so, and I don't want the glue to dry. It's drying really quickly. Anyways, if there is any problem, I will reinforce them later with the 6000. I just want you to see the effect right now. Yes, this is already dry. Okay. I hope they will stay in place. Here we go. Move this a little bit. Yeah, I was totally out of frame. Sorry about that. I have hot glue in all my fingers. Okay. This is going to be really quick, as you can see. For these pieces on both sides, I went to my local store and I asked for these pieces. They are, how do you call it then? When you have to mix paint. Okay, you know what I'm talking about, you can see it. I got them for free. So I cut them to size and I painted them gray, and I distressed them in black, because in the original they are distressed in black. So I'm going to glue them here and there. Again, let's use a hot glue. Here we go. Here we have one. This is so big that it doesn't fit in the frame. Let me move this sign. Okay. Wow. Now I'm going to add this side. Like this. And for the screws, my daughter, who is very talented, made them with I don't know how to call it. It's an epoxy substance that has two bars from different color. You mix them and you give them the shape you want, and then when they dry, they look and feel and are hard as metal. So she made them. This is the original. Well, it's not the original color. The original color is like, I don't know if you can see it. It's like here. I painted them first silver, then I added some black and some brown shoe polish, liquid shoe polish, to give them a rusted look. And I'm going to add them like in the original. So let me start by this side. One here and one like here. I'm just eyeballing. Sorry if I'm moving the camera. And now on the other side, these two. One here, and the last one, let's say here. And my piece, is kind of finished. I'm going to add some pictures. I'm using pictures from my daughter's wedding. That I have already cut to size. It was a beautiful wedding. And she was the most beautiful bride in the world. No arguing about that. I was lucky enough to be the one who walked her down the aisle. It was a very emotional day. Something I will never forget. And this is the finished product. I still haven't found something that I like to hang this from the wall. I want to add 3 hangers. I don't know how you call them. Let me see. Hangers. Sawtooth hangers. But the problem is that the only ones I could find online were these ones that you have to push them, and I want the ones that have screws, because this is a very heavy piece and I'm not really comfortable with this kind of hangers. I'm afraid that they are not strong enough to support this, even if I add some hot glue. So I still can't hang this piece. But anyways, you can see that it looks very much like the original. And I spent 4, let's say 5, it was longer, but it was $1, 5, nothing, so the hot glue, that's it, $5. And I really love how this piece looks. I really do. I think my walls are blue, grayish blue, and more blue than gray, and I think this is going to look perfect. So I hope you like this DIY, and if so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to both hostesses for hosting this challenge, and please visit their channels and the videos in the playlist that are going to be linked, as I said, in the description box. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.